After inserting the drain pipe using the toolbar options, we can also add a new section here at the top, or maybe delete the last segment. This allows us to insert all of the necessary features to define our drain pipe in great detail. Using the advanced and powerful capabilities of the integrated magnetic grid, we can define height and overhang for each segment, whether it be either angled or simply straight. With the addition of a new segment and changing its length, we can overcome any protrusions on the building's facade. We can proceed by lengthening the straight section and at the top add a further segment. After rotating it outwards, we can then modify the overhang. Let's continue to add yet another section, and this time rotate it so as to align it according to the facade, turning around the corner of the building. After resizing the inclined section, let's stretch the straight section here so that it reaches under the eaves. We now need a last segment to connect it to the gutter. So by rotating and scaling appropriately, we can do this very easily, as you can see. Setting our viewpoint from the top, we can modify the drain pipe projection and insert it under the eaves. Working in this way, we can very quickly design any kind of drain pipe according to our needs. When inserting a drain pipe, we can simplify our work by choosing among the proposed default types. These are linear, or with 1 or 3 deviations. These models are already composed of different elements, to which we can add new elements to form the kind of drain pipe that we need for our project. In addition to this, copying the drain pipe properties, we can set it as default with the copy from function.